Gadgets that will kill your boredom. Technology has made significant progress over the past few decades, and it's quite fascinating to behold. Things that were merely dreamed in the past are now a part of our daily life, and the world is all the better for it. Between the internet and smartphones, our lives have become extremely dependent on technology and the benefits it offers. Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 Indoor Herb Garden. Indoor plants are proven to improve health through consumption, reduce stress, and improve air quality and overall happiness. Smart gardens make it possible to grow plants 365 days a year in even the busiest households. They take care of watering, light, and nutrients, while you reap the benefits. Grow herbs, vegetables, fruits, or flowers all in one tiny space. Perfect for your kitchen counter or windowsill. Harvest food at peak flavor and nutritional value. All natural, no chemicals, 100% fresh. It's a fully automated indoor growing system. Whether you're cooking, relaxing, working, or sleeping, the Smart Garden is busy growing your favorite plants. Water, lighting, and nutrients are all taken care of. Chom Chom Pet Hair Remover. Keep your home free from loose lint and hair. The Chom Chom Lint Roller for pet hair removal works like a charm on furniture, upholstery, blankets, and other items riddled with fur. If ripping off hundreds of lint roller sheets is a pet peeve of yours when cleaning, give our pet hair removal tool a go. It doesn't require sticky tape, so you can use it again and again. No batteries or power source is needed for this dog and cat hair remover. Just roll this lint remover tool back and forth to trap fur and lint into the receptacle. Upon picking up loose pet hair, simply press down on the release button to open and empty out the fur remover's waste compartment. With the world's best pet hair remover, you'll never need another gadget. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Quickly and easily cut, pit, and slice avocados with this OXO 1,252,180 Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer and Pitter. This 3-in-1 avocado tool is perfect for preparing avocados for trendy avocado toast, authentic taco salads, flavorful guacamole, or a bold avocado chicken salad. Simply slice the avocado lengthwise with the plastic blade to cut in half. Next, press the pitter into the pit and twist and pull out the pit. Then, run the slicer through the avocado to scoop the fruit out of the peel and create perfectly uniform slices for exquisite presentations. This tool is top-rack dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean after a long day of food preparation. The plastic construction of the cutter and slicer ensures safety and durability, while its stainless steel pitter perfectly grabs and pulls out the pit, without sacrificing any of the delicious fruit or putting the user at risk by removing the pit with a knife. Bowflex Select Tech Adjustable Weights and Dumbbells. No more picking up 30 different dumbbells to give you the results you want. With just the turn of a dial, you can automatically change your resistance from 5 pounds all the way up to 52.5 pounds of weight. Download the free Bowflex Select Tech app to follow trainer-lead workouts, journal your workouts, and build custom workouts. Each dumbbell adjusts from 5 to 52.5 pounds in 2.5 pounds, increments up to 25 pounds. Say goodbye to 15 sets of dumbbells cluttering your workout space. Durable molding around the metal plates provides for a smooth liftoff and quieter workouts. With a wider weight range, you can do heavy exercises such as shrugs and lunges, as well as lighter exercises such as curls and raises. Select the weight you want with a turn of a dial. Powerful Collapsible Magnetic Bluetooth Speaker. Big sound doesn't have to come from big boxes anymore. Wavebloom revolutionizes everything about portable audio without compromising quality, enhancing bass resonance, volume, and overall frequency response. With an expandable audio-boosting air chamber, PO pops up to go bigger and louder and pops back down to go with you. All boom, no box. Portability should never compromise power. Put powerful sound in your pocket so you can pick up the beat and always take it with you. True Spatial Stereo. Sync 2 in stereo to boost amplitude and audio immersion with left and right channels. Tabletops, walls, phones, put it anywhere. Click it magnetically onto almost any metal surface or PO to click case. Stick it pretty much anywhere else you want to defy gravity using the universal mount. The power of sound can get us in a groove, bring us together, and fill any moment with good vibes. Better portable audio boosts our ability to sync up with friends, expand our reach, and empower us all. Cuisinart CDT010 BBQ Defrosting. Forgot to take the meat out of the freezer for dinner? No worries. Grab the Cuisinart BDU defrosting tray and get back on track. This tray quickly thaws chicken breasts, steak, pork chops, lamb chops, vegetables, and more in less than half the time. The aluminum material is lightweight and easy to use. Place the frozen meat or vegetables on the tray and watch as it defrosts it right before your eyes. It is made with a high thermal conductive material that is quick and natural. Transfer warmth evenly across the surface of your food. The Cuisinart BBQ defrosting tray will be one of those products that you'll tell your family and friends about. Safe way to thaw food. Preserves the natural taste of your frozen food. Made of highly conductive food-safe aluminum, this tray will come to room temperature and will defrost your food item quickly and safely. Hydrate Spark 3 Smart Water Bottle. Prioritize your everyday health and wellness by keeping up with your hydration goals. Sensor technology tracks your water intake and syncs your progress to our free hydration tracker app via Bluetooth. A bold Nini glow illuminates the entire bottle to remind you to drink more water, either at regular intervals or when you are behind on your daily water goal. A long-lasting replaceable battery provides an extended operating cycle and is conveniently located at the bottom of the bottle, so you can easily replace it without missing a beat. The BBA-free bottle features a smooth silicone sleeve that improves grip and minimizes condensation, and a matching finger loop. Fits common cup holders, backpack pockets, and bike bottle cages. Kodak Lumo 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Pico Projector. Thanks to the smartphone, you always have incredible imaging at your fingertips. But what happens when you want to share with friends and family? The innovators at Kodak help you look at the big picture with the Lumo 150 Portable Projector. This revolutionary device delivers audio-visual excellence with its super bright LED lamp, 16.7 million display colors. Whether you're watching home movies, the latest blockbuster film, funny YouTube videos, or your favorite streaming service, the built-in speaker offers powerful portability. Bits and Pieces Household Laser Scissors Gadget. Bits and Pieces Household Laser Scissors Gadget. High-quality heavy-duty sewing and crafts scissors. Do you hate that you can never cut a straight line with regular scissors? We have the answer. These unique high-quality laser-guided scissors give you an absolutely straight guideline to cut along. 2 adjustment screws allow you to aim the laser light perfectly where you want it. Great for sewing, craft projects, and wrapping gifts. Ember Wave 2. Clinical research has shown that wearing the Ember Wave 2 wristband gives you immediate relief from hot flashes and helps improve sleep. At the press of a button, get precisely calibrated cooling or warming sensations to help you feel more in control of your body. Connect to the Ember Wave 2 app to access options that give you options for the relief you need. Explore cooling or warming sessions optimized for hot flashes, night sweats, stress, and improved sleep. Select from session lengths ranging from 3 minutes up to 9 hours. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.